have the big story at this hour. The Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has been granted bail today in the 2019 defamation case, and his 2-year jail sentence has been paused until a decision on his appeal challenging his conviction. So, the Surat Sessions Court, the visuals you're seeing there are of Rahul Gandhi emerging out of that Surat Sessions Court after it granted bail to the Congress leader in this defamation case. This, of course, was over that remark, "Why do all thieves share the Modi surname?" A remark that was made during the political campaign in Karol in April 2019. Now, this case is next going to be heard on the 13th of April. However, the big story right now, the point of the story, the fine print is that Rahul Gandhi's conviction has not been stayed by the court today. So, basically, earlier today, the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi moved an appeal in the Surat Sessions Court challenging his conviction. Now, the appeal was accompanied by 2 applications. You have the first application, which was for the suspension of the sentence, which is essentially an application for regular bail. The second application is an application for the suspension of the conviction, and this second application is the critical application, because only if the second application is allowed, then only can his membership to the Lok Sabha be restored. So as you can see on your screens over there, Rahul Gandhi was accompanied accompanied by his sister Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and several other Congress leaders, including 3 chief ministers. They all, in a big bus actually, arrived at the Surat Sessions Court, and with their appeal to set aside his conviction over his Modi surname comment, which the BJP claims is an insult to the Modi community and OBC community. Now, these visuals that you can see of the Congress team, if we can call it that, Rahul Gandhi accompanied by senior Congress leaders in this bus arriving at the Surat court. The BJP also took objection to that. According to them, this is all drama and an attempt, the BJP claims, an attempt to pressurize the judiciary. Now, the other interesting thing is that the former Congress president need not appear in court for the next hearing. Arvind Gunasekar was in court today, and he spoke with the legal representatives of both sides.
We have Advocate Rohan Panwala, who is part of Rahul Gandhi's legal team. In fact, it is his father who is advocate on record, who has filed the petition on behalf of Rahul Gandhi. KC Poonawala's son Rohan Panwala, is with us. Let's ask him about today's hearing. So today, the appeal preferred by Rahul Gandhi was heard by the sessions judge. So could you please sum up the order that has been passed by the court?
The appeal was merely filed, and along with the appeal, applications for the bail and for the stay of the sentencing and the stay of the conviction was filed. The application for bail and the stay of the sentencing was heard, and in usual course it was granted, and Rahul Gandhi has been given bail, and the sentencing has also been stayed. Now the application for stay of conviction would be heard on the 13th of April.
Okay, so that's why, because both the first 2 applications, bail, regular bail, and also the suspension of sentence till the disposal of appeal, has been granted by the court ex parte, but when it comes to the stay of conviction, the court has issued notice to the respondent. So could you please tell whether the notice has also been issued to state of Gujarat in this particular case?
The state of Gujarat has been joined as a party, and it will also be, they will also maybe, but they don't have much role in this.
So both Punesh Modi and state of Gujarat will have to file their response by April 10th, and the next date of hearing in this matter is April 13th.
That is right.
So also, when will the main criminal appeal be heard?
It is posted on the 3rd of May, but it will take time.
It will take time. Also, could you please tell us the main grounds on which you have preferred this appeal before the sessions court?
There are several grounds, and most of the grounds have been already covered in many of the interviews. So there are several grounds, but the main thing was that we have fought on the grounds of the jurisdiction, we have fought on grounds of many other technicalities, and all those grounds will be again be heard in the main appeal. But right now, the interim relief matters, and 2 out of 3 interim reliefs have already been granted.
So, the application for seeking stay of conviction will be heard on April 13th, and then by 10th they have to file their response. So, on this particular point alone, so should Rahul Gandhi appear again on April 13th for the next date of hearing?
No, he need not appear, and we have already requested the court, and the court has orally granted the relief that he need not appear.